Hello, let's take this stuff and make a chicken sandwich. You're gonna use a tablespoon and a half of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, paprika, pepper, onion, and garlic powder. Actually whisk it, I was just being lazy. You're gonna take some buttermilk. You're gonna add a tiny bit of your buttermilk into your mix. This is gonna create some nice little chunks that'll stick to your chicken, nice crispy little tags almost on your chicken. You wanna mix that up though. Make sure you don't have big old boulders of that stuff that aren't gonna stick. Drop it in your buttermilk, take your chicken, put it in your mix. Make sure to really coat it. The more coating, the better. It's gonna give you a nice crispy exterior. It's gonna come out beautiful. You're gonna take that and drop it in the fridge for about a half hour. That'll help with the frying process. Now we're gonna make our blue cheese. You're gonna take some creme fraiche, mayo, mix that together. Once you have those two together, take a little buttermilk. The buttermilk is gonna determine the consistency of your sauce. Obviously, less will be thicker, more will be runnier. A little onion and garlic powder just for taste, some Italian parsley, it's a personal preference, and some Worcestershire. Mix that in together. Make sure you really have that nice and mixed up, and then you're gonna take your blue. I'm using a Roquefort blue. It's bitey, it has a nice crumble, it makes for a great sauce. People are gonna kick me for using $20 cheese to make blue cheese dressing, but you can go fuck yourself. All right, now we're gonna be frying this. Just take vegetable oil, heat it to 360 degrees, and drop your chicken in. Always drop it away from yourself. You don't wanna splash yourself with that hot oil. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. I like a harder, darker finish on the chicken just because we're going to drop it in buffalo. And if you have a lighter, sort of tender crisp on there, it's gonna fall off and get soggy. This way you can leave it in the buffalo for a little bit and it'll remain nice and hard and crunchy. I'm gonna take that, put it to the side for now. I like to stamp out my buns. I think it just has a better aesthetic when I'm plating. It's not necessary, it's more just a stylistic thing. I'm also stamping out the lettuce, just trying to be pretentious at this point. You're gonna take those, put them all to the side, and you're gonna grab your blue cheese. Apply it to the top bun. I'm gonna use it sort of as a glue to stick the lettuce to the top bun, and then we can drop our chicken. Clean that up a little bit. There you go, buddy. Now that we've got our chicken, the sandwich is looking awesome, but let's plate it. Plating is really based on your own stylized preferences. I just did a little bit of a division sign. After I did it, it reminded me of that terrible Ed Sheeran album. But, you know, you make mistakes and you learn from them. And yeah, there you go. That is in under 4 minutes how you make a beautiful gourmet looking buffalo chicken sandwich that is sure to impress anyone. Like, subscribe, leave a comment as to what you would like to see next. I had a lot of fun doing this. Thank you.